Hey guys, Sammy Gamer here with another Minecraft video, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really cool firework machine in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So, actually let's not get started yet. First off, happy 4th of July, guys. I wanted to make this firework machine because of the 4th of July, and the reason why you might hear stuff like that is because I'm outside right now. I'm just about to watch fireworks. But yeah, so I better wrap this video up, and yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so the things you will need is you will need any type of fireworks, so I'm just going to grab, let's see, light blue, blue, and cyan. So you can choose any color you want. You need 3 fireworks for this, I think. 3. Wait, no. Boy. I'm sorry about the people talking, guys. Brothers and mom are like fireworks and everything. So yeah, and cyan. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, blue. I forgot. Blue and then cyan. Okay, so this is what you need. So just put these in your inventory. Just like this. Then you're gonna want a dispenser. You need redstone repeater, a lever, and that's really it. But if you want to, you can decorate it. So I'm gonna decorate it with a creeper, like a creeper head, actually. So what I'm gonna do, let's find the concrete. I forgot the concrete's right here. I'm gonna do my like little creeper like that, except full head. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Decoration you want, or you can leave it with no decoration. It's up to you. So yeah. Sorry if you might not be able to hear me. I don't have my mic right now because I am in Jackpot, Nevada, in the United States, of course. And that's where I'm watching fireworks. So yeah. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I'm just gonna pause this video until I am done. Okay, I'm back. I'm done with my little outlining, so I just have to fill in inside just like this. Oh, whoops, I can't press that. As I said, guys, I'm sorry if you guys don't hear me. I'm trying to speak up as loud as I can. And I'm trying to keep my hand away from the, like, where I can speak through. Okay, and then I'm gonna have an entrance for now. I'm just gonna make an entrance like that, so I can get in there to make the machine. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna make these walls. You want, if you're making like a squared kind of thing, like like a creeper or a zombie head or whatever, you can do this, but you have to have the inside with air. You don't want any blocks there, because that's where you're gonna put in machinery. Okay, just do that. And okay, guys, I will have like a remote for my my phone soon, like in a couple weeks. But yeah, I also have a Discord channel. The link is down in the description down below. If you want to check it out, go ahead and feel free to do that. It's not done yet, but it will be done soon. I'm just gonna... Oops. Wait, this does not look right. It don't look right. What the? Wait a minute. Did I do something wrong? I feel like I did something wrong. I really did something wrong, I swear. Let's see, what did I do wrong? We will in a minute. Sorry, guys. Trying to figure out if I did this right, so I gotta... Okay, I get it. I forgot everything. I'm making a creeper. I will, just a minute. Sorry, guys. What? No. Sorry, guys. I'm just... Alright, guys, I'm sorry about all this noise and stuff. I'll have to let Mom know I was doing a video, but... I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, I'm done with that. Now I just want to make like a... Oh, shoot. Ah! So I'm just gonna make like a... Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm so sorry. I really hate these touchy devices. They're so annoying. Like that. Did that work? It looks like that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, I'm just gonna make like a thing like this. Wait, what? Okay, just like that. So now we're on the machines. Oh, the fireworks are going right now, so I better wrap this up. Guys, so yeah, inside I'm gonna put like a torch in here, or a few torches in here for a little bit. The machine. Okay, I'm just gonna make, you have to make a clock for this, so just like this. One tick, and then yeah, I'm gonna do that. I believe this will work. I'm not totally sure. Gotta make sure. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. I didn't plan this out, guys. I'm really sorry. Whoops. Whoops. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. That was just a firework. It scared me. I'm like, what the heck? Okay, so I'm just gonna. Oops, did not want to do that. Do. Maybe. How will that work? Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so. Boom. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this here, just like this. And guys, I'd recommend using like a. Whoops, don't put there. Redstone repeater. If you need to. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys, about the noise. Oh, sorry, guys, my battery's getting low. Oh, fireworks these days, so loud. I gotta stay with the video. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to put your fireworks in these. Two in that one. Two in that one. Two in that one. See, this one has light blue. Normal blue. So I'm gonna put a cyan. I will. Okay, it doesn't matter, guys. Then you want to. I keep messing up, guys. Then you want to just. Okay, that. There you go. Happy 4th, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.